So this is going to help a little bit. You want to have one of these. This is going to help you pump it up. It doesn't necessarily have to have the thread on there. They're nice if they do. It works a little easier just to be able to put it on and off really fast. And then this part just goes inside of like a quart, and you can pump your oil up into the lower unit. So first thing you want to do is you're going to hook this on into your lower unit. And this is the best gear oil, in my opinion, to get, which is the Merc original oil. There are some other synthetics and stuff out there that people like better, and then all we're going to do is we're going to pump this up until...
Did you close the top?
And then we're just going to pump. You can see our pretty oil going in. You don't want to close the top because oil is going to come out of here. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill the oil up in from here. It's going to fill up into the top. There we go. As soon as she comes out like that, we know we've got enough in there. And then the fun begins. So we're going to put the top bolt in first, which is going to help with the air. The other thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to replace our gaskets and make sure you know which one is your top bolt and which one is your bottom bolt in case there is a difference. A lot of times the bottom has a magnet on it. In my case it doesn't. We put this one back in, get it just barely snug, and then we're going to try to pull this one fast and then put this in fairly quickly. You're going to lose a little bit of fluid doing this, but not a lot. As long as you put the top one in, you won't lose too much fluid, but you will lose some. So you're going to want to get these snug. Not too tight, but you do want to get them a little snug. So I can use that. If you want to, you can use something like this to go a little extra tight. Just make sure you know which way they're setting on. A couple good whacks on one of these and it'll make sure it's in there tight. It's just cleaning a little bit of oil you got off. There's some people who say they go and degrease it, so you make sure you don't get oil when you go into the water. I find I clean it pretty good and I keep my lower units waxed anyhow, or try to, so the oil comes off pretty good. I don't have too much problems with that. And that's it.